Hi again. You just saw Molly learning a strategy to help herself calm down when she felt scared when a big dog barked at her. Max helped her remember to put her hands on her tummy and say stop. She also learned that naming her feelings helps her to calm down. Now let's talk about this some more as we look at this week's photo story card. Here are Gabe and his teacher. Another child just called Gabe some mean names. He didn't like it at all. Do you think Gabe feels uncomfortable or uncomfortable? Yeah, he's probably feeling uncomfortable. Mean names don't make us feel good or want to smile, so he is having an uncomfortable feeling. So if you thought the same thing, pat your head. Well, the teacher notices Gabe's head hanging down and his frown. She talks to him about his feelings. She asks him if he can name how he is feeling. How do you think Gabe is feeling? Yep, he could be feeling kind of sad, worried, or upset. If you had that same idea, clap your hand 2 times. All right. Well, Gabe says, I feel sad. Naming the feeling helps him feel better. The teacher asks him why he's feeling sad, and Gabe tells the teacher what happened. He tells the teacher the mean names that one of his friends called him. Telling his teacher what happened helps too. His teacher goes with him and helps him talk to the child who was calling him names. Pretend you are Gabe and practice calming down. First, Gabe will probably put his hand on his tummy and say stop. Remember? And then he'll do what we're going to learn next week, is take some belly breaths. Let me show you this poster that will go over those steps. How to calm down. Put your hands on your tummy. Say stop. And then take some belly breaths. This poster is going to be in the Bitmoji classroom, so you can click on it and listen to the song that we learned this week. Sometimes it can be hard to name your feelings, and talking to a grown-up helps. Remember, it's not okay to call each other mean names in your class. And if someone does that to you, the best way to handle it is to tell yourself to calm down by stopping and taking some deep breaths. See you guys next week.